Hello guys, most welcome to another tutorials. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Today's a new tutorial is the only options you should try is the fourth one, shift edge and dragging and the slider to right of the centers will expire your selections edge outward when you might help to add more hairs to selections when the dragging and slider to the left of lightening up to the selections if neither and directions helps to the improve your result. Simply draw and slider back to the centers in my case, and I am going to the edge, draw slider to the right, increase the shift edge value of the 20%, the increasing and shift edge value to the expand and selections edge to outwards. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.